Hello, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3, subject maths, chapter number 1, numbers. The topic of this video is comparison of numbers. First, let us know the meaning of comparison of numbers. The process of finding the relation between the given numbers, that is, finding whether one number is greater, less, or equal to another number is called comparison of numbers. Comparison of 4-digit numbers. In this video, we will learn how to compare 4-digit numbers. Look at the following table and observe the heights of different mountain peaks in India. A table is given here. In this table, name of the mountain peak is given in the first column, location is given in the second column, and the height of the mountain peak is given in the third column. Let us look at this table. The name of the peak or name of the mountain is Nanda Devi. Location is Uttarakhand and its height is 7,816 meters. Here M in the brackets represents meters, which is the unit of height. Kanchenjunga is the name of mountain and its location is in Sikkim. Height of Kanchenjunga is 8,586 meters. Doddabetta, location is Tamil Nadu. Its height is 2,636 meters. Anaimudi, location is Kerala. Height is 2,695 meters. Name of the mountain peak is Saddle Peak. Location is Andaman. Its height is 737 meters. So to compare 4-digit numbers, we will discuss 3 examples. In all the 3 examples, we will refer this table. Now here we have a few steps to be followed while comparing two numbers. To compare two numbers, follow the steps given below. Step number 1. Count the number of digits in both numbers. The number that has more digits is greater. If there are unequal number of digits in two numbers, the number that has more number of digits is greater than the other number. Step number 2 is, if the two numbers have the same number of digits, then compare the digits in the highest place value. If they are the same, then compare the digits in the next highest place and so on. Continue till you reach two digits that are different. Then compare them. The number with the greater digit in the place that is finally compared will be the greater number. So these are the two steps to be followed while comparing two numbers. Now let us remember these points and use these while comparing the numbers. Example 1. Which peak is higher, Nanda Devi or Saddle Peak? This is the question. To answer this, we should know the heights of these mountains, and for that we will refer the table which is given earlier. The height of Nanda Devi is 7,816 meters. Let us write down that referring the given table. Height of Nanda Devi is equal to 7,816 meters. Height of Saddle Peak is equal to 737 meters. Now let us compare the numbers, that is these two numbers. So when we look at these numbers, we notice that 7,816 is a 4-digit number and 737 is a 3-digit number. So in such cases, we will follow step number 1 that we have studied earlier. 7,816 has more digits than 737. So 7,816 is greater than 737. Therefore, now the conclusion is Nanda Devi is higher than Saddle Peak because 7,816 is the height of Nanda Devi. Therefore, the mountain Nanda Devi is higher than Saddle Peak. So, in such cases where the number of digits in given numbers are unequal, we will follow this procedure. The number with the highest number of digits will be the greater number than the other number. Now let us move to other example. Example number 2. Which peak is higher, Nanda Devi or Kanchenjunga? Again, to know the heights of these mountains, we will make use of the given table. Here, the height of Nanda Devi is 7,816 meters. Let us record or write down that here. Height of Nanda Devi is equal to 7,816 meters. Height of Kanchenjunga is equal to 8,586 meters. Children, 8,586 meters means it is more than 8.5 kilometers. It is more than 8.5 kilometers. That means these mountains are very high. Okay, now let us compare these two numbers and find which among these two is greater. Here the numbers 7,816 and 8,586 both are 4-digit numbers. So we cannot compare these two numbers as we did in example number 1. So we will compare the digits in the highest place. For that, we will write down the given numbers in this format in a table like this. Here this number 7816 is the height of the mountain Nanda Devi, and the other number 8586 is the height of Kanchenjunga. Here we have written some letters. Here O stands for, this is ones place. That means both 6 in the two numbers are in ones place. T stands for tens place, H for hundreds place, and TH for thousands place. So now we had written the given numbers one below the other, and also we have written their place names here. After writing like this, what we should do is we have to compare the digits in the highest place. Highest place here is 1000 because the numbers are 4-digit numbers, and hence the highest place is thousands place. So to know which number among these two is greater, we will compare the digits in the highest place. That is, we will compare the digits in thousands place, which are 7 and 8. So when we look at these two numbers, we know that 8 is greater than 7. We studied about number lines earlier. So in a number line, 8 comes towards right of 7. Therefore, 8 is greater than 7. Therefore, so since 8 is greater than 7, we conclude that the number in which 8 is in the thousands place is greater than the other number. Therefore, 8586 is greater than 7816. So now, after comparing these numbers, the final statement we have to write is the number. What is this number? So this number 8586 meters is the height of Kanchenjunga. So our final conclusion is, so Kanchenjunga is higher than Nanda Devi. So when we compare the heights of these mountains, that is Nanda Devi and Kanchenjunga, we found that height of Kanchenjunga is more than that of Nanda Devi. Example number 3. Which peak is lower, Anaimudi or Doddabetta? In this example, we will find height of which of these two mountains is less than the other. For the heights of these mountains, we will refer the table which was given. So according to the table, height of Doddabetta is 2636 and height of Anaimudi is 2695. Let us write down these here in the solution. Height of Anaimudi is equal to 2695 meters and height of Doddabetta is equal to 2636 meters. Here we notice that the numbers 2695 and 2636 both are 4-digit numbers. So we will compare the digits in the highest place. For that we need to write these numbers in a table like this by writing the place names in the first row, and after writing the given numbers in this format, we will compare the digits in the highest place. That is, the highest place here is thousands place because the both numbers are 4-digit numbers. So let us compare the digits in the highest place, that is in thousands place. So when we look at the digits in the thousands place, we find here that both are 2. So this will not help us to find which among these two numbers is greater or smaller. Then what to do next? So next what we do is we will compare the digits in the next highest place, that is hundreds place in this number. Let us compare the digits in hundreds place. So when we look at the digits at hundreds place in this number, we find that again the numbers or digits are same, 6 and 6. So when they are same, we cannot find whether which number is greater and which is smaller. So we should move to the next highest place, that is tens place. So when we come to tens place here, the digits are 9 and 3. This time they are not same. So when we look at these two, we know that the digit or number 3 comes towards left of 9 on the number line and 3 is less than 9. So here 3 is less than 9. Therefore, the number 2636 is less than 2695. So our final conclusion is Doddabetta is lower than Anaimudi. So height of Doddabetta being 2636 meters, it is the lower mountain than Anaimudi. Or height of Doddabetta is less than the height of Anaimudi. Like this, we can compare any two 4-digit numbers using the steps or procedure in as we used in the examples, example number 1, 2 and 3. I hope you understood the method of comparing 4-digit numbers. So using the same steps and same procedure, you try to compare the numbers which are given in the exercises in your textbook. Dear children, I hope you enjoyed learning new things through this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.